Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we're going to look at the unbeatable Squirrel Girl. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Marvel Legends figure, the unbeatable Squirrel Girl. Okay, so you can see that the condition of the box and the figure is a bit rough. Okay, so you can see some exposed parts here and there, but that is totally fine because we got this at a very cheap price of 600 pesos. Okay, so that would be around $12. Okay, you can see here originally it's 2,799.75 pesos, so it's like a 80% discount. Okay, so and besides, we don't collect the boxes anyway for Marvel Legends. Okay, so we have here Squirrel Girl, the figure, and we can see some squirrels, and at the same time her handy scooter. Okay, so this is from Hasbro, and let's take a look at the top. You see a squirrel. On the side we see Squirrel Girl, okay, making life hard for her squirrels. Okay, one of the squirrel has a ribbon, a female squirrel, I guess. Same illustration for the other side. And at the back we see some more illustrations of the figure. Okay, big-tailed. Okay, and that there she is, posed with her squirrels on her scooter. Let's take a look at some of the word bubbles. With super squirrel powers and help from her squirrel friends, the astonishing Doreen Green battles the baddest baddies in the universe. Okay, and chitichuk chuk. So anyway, so before we unbox this Marvel Legends, of course, we have to look at Squirrel Girl in Heroclix form, or I should say in Legacy card form. Okay, because I do not have this particular figure, but I was able to pull two actually Squirrel Girl Legacy cards. So this is my second Legacy card for Squirrel Girl. So you can see that she is Legacy 056 from the Avengers 60th Anniversary set, and contains the keyword AIM, Avengers, Great Lake Avengers, Shield, and Animal. So she has a couple of traits. First one is tippy. Okay, so Squirrel Girl modifies her combat values +1 and can use super senses if her tippy bystander is not on the map. And as a free action, you can generate a tippy bystander. Okay, so the tippy bystander has hypersonic precision strike senses. Okay, but I would prefer to not generate the tippy because again, +1 in all the combat values. That means for range, movement, attack, defense, and damage can be very beneficial for Squirrel Girl because legacy cards tend to have very low combat values. Okay, so I actually have the tippy figure from Deadpool and the X-Force set. Okay, so I'm going to use this as the bystander if ever I get to own this particular legacy piece. So I'm going to use this to represent the tippy bystander. Okay, and the second trait for Squirrel Girl is Avengers Nanny, which is support, and when Squirrel Girl uses it, she may choose friendly characters adjacent to her tippy bystanders regardless of adjacency. Okay, so that means someone can carry tippy perhaps, and then move him adjacent to the person that needs to be supported or healed. Then Squirrel Girl will just sit at the back and then heal up the figure. Okay, Doreen Green is the real name. Captain America 1956 is the significant appearance for Squirrel Girl. Okay, so if you know anyone from the Philippines who's selling Squirrel Girl, message me in Facebook, or you can also comment it here in YouTube. Okay, so hopefully I get to use her once I have the figure. Okay, but for now, we're going to go back and finally unbox the Squirrel Girl Marvel Legends. This it looks still sealed. The tape is here, so this might be sealed, mint in box. Okay, but the condition has just not been maintained ideally. Okay, oh well, I'm just gonna rip through it. And let's open Squirrel Girl. Okay. Yeah, there's even that piece of paper that comes in the box. Okay, so you see the background is printed. Let's throw it out. And we have Squirrel Girl. I tend to collect X-Men, but I really like Squirrel Girl. Okay, so that's why, even if she's not technically a mutant, okay, so I still have to get her, especially with that price tag. Let's pop out the Squirrel. Yeah, so it seems to be mint, or at least unpopped. That gives me the sensation I'm getting is that it's not been popped yet. Squirrel, the third Squirrel. Okay, so this Squirrel looks like Tippy because of the ribbons. Okay, but I'm not so sure who the other Squirrels are, if they have a name actually. Okay, so let's pop up the scooter. Okay, oops, let's move it a little there. Let's pop up the horn and the side mirrors, and we should be ready to construct the scooter. But first, let's pop out the figure. Sorry for all that plastic sound. We're not doing it gently. There we go. Okay. This Squirrel Girl looks different from the legacy card. Okay, so this seems to be the classic costume of Squirrel Girl, and this is the more modern one. I see it in some animation, Marvel animation. So you can take a look at Squirrel Girl here. I like the tail, it's so big. Okay, does it move? Not so much. Okay, she has some jacket, and the details of the face is, well, okay, so it's good to some extent. You can sense how cheerful she is. Okay, so because she is a cheerful character, a friend as well of Miss Marvel, Kamala Khan. Okay, so joints are tight and good. So good so far. Let's build the scooter. Where's that horn? The horn probably goes here. Yes, it goes here. Let me double check. The horn goes here. Okay, it's a bit loose. Okay, but that should go here. Oops, sorry. Don't know why. Here. It goes here. Okay. Goes there. And then side mirror should go here, I imagine. Okay. Oops. Let's not force it. There you go. So that's the scooter of Squirrel Girl. Okay. So does it stand? Yes, it does. So always a good thing. And we can see some pegs where we place Squirrel Girl. So let's do that. Okay. Oops. Be careful. Oops. Be careful. Okay. She's a bit hard to put in place. Okay. I wonder when this particular figure was released. Let's check the box. It might be 2015. This was released. Looking at the box, it doesn't seem to show the year. Let me see. Hasbro, Marvel copyright. There's no year. Okay, so if you know, you can again mention it in the comments. Okay, but we're not gonna Google it now. Okay, so we are just simply going to try to post Squirrel Girl, and if she doesn't cooperate, that is totally fine. We'll probably just stand her beside her scooter then, together with the squirrels. Let's put one here, one here, and the last one, tippy toe. Can we place tippy toe on her arms? Oops, be careful. Oop, 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 oop. Tippy toe. Oop. Okay, so there we go. We have Squirrel Girl. So that's it for this particular video. Share your thoughts again in the comments. Like, subscribe, do all of that. Until the next Marvel unboxing. Bye-bye.